stud feed daw nito. Buti miga siya dyan, no?
Sanay siya dito.
Sanay siya dyan. Ay, ito na ba yung mismong nasa kulungan niya?
Pati sa kulungan niya.
Ayan din. Battle of the Champ. Ngayon, 5 champion. Si Baron, no? Unang-una. Baron. Ang ganda rin nito. Nero. Oh.
Prime Matrix, gut health, and protein supplement for all dog breeds.
What is up, guys? Dog show tayo ngayon, no? Ako lang mag-isa, magmamotor lang ako. Wala man ako dalang aso, eh. Ayan, no? Gagamitin ko Aerox lang kasi yung dog show ngayon dito lang banda sa QC Jimenez Gallery. First ABKC dog show ngayong taong 2025. Silipin muna natin mga doggies natin. Ayan sila, oh. Siguro by next month. Kulang pa kasi sa ano, eh. Kulang pa kasi sa training tong si Kuma. Meron isa pang dog show ngayong darating na February, ABKC Nationals. Baka doon na natin isali si Kuma. Kulang pa siya sa training. Medyo may konting likot pa. Kailangan prepared talaga pag isasalang natin sa ABKC kasi syempre sayang din yung entry. Magkano yun? 2,000 yata yung per ring. Eh yung ring doon 2 rings. So 4,000 yun. 4K agad. Tapos olats, tapos di ka prepared. Syempre, di ba? Sayang naman. Pan-dog food na rin yun. Kaya kailangan prepared yung aso natin pag isasalang sa show. Alright guys, tara. Mamaya ulit pag nandun na tayo. Jimenez Gallery Compound. Tara. Yun.
Walang signal, eh.
Ay, bro. Ano na? Payat na. Ito, lalag dyan, ah. Diet?
Hey, what's up? What's up, Polygames?
Okay, so they're battling for the best in color. Okay. Ayan, dami yan. Okay, we're fighting for the best island board. Nandiyan na. Wala na, wala na si Rocco. Alright. The battle for the best island board goes to...
Sabi ko sa'yo, eh. Nanalo sana ako.
Congratulations.
Ganda rin, no? Best Island Born Exotic. Exotic. Micro Exotic. Female pala to, female micro exotic. Mga lalaki. Ganda, eh. Puro babae pala. Maliit, eh. May reserve. Panalo. Lilac.
Sa marang tumatay.
Babawas, eh. Oh? Eh, di ba champion na to? It's a Battle of the Champ na siya.
Battle of the Champ.
Parang medyo lumipis siya. Parang mas makapal siya noon. Ha? Yung huli kong nakita.
Pinakapal talaga. Ay, pinamipis talaga.
Oo.
Kasi nga, gumagano'n yung pahay.
Ano sira na hindi na kaya nung
Katawan eh.
nung parang
Ito, condition to kasi nga.
ayan yung pinaka peak niya na kasi pag nung November yata
Tignan mo yung legs niya,
sobrang
tsaka
laki.
yung, di ba yung legs niya, pag sobrang laki ng katawan niya,
mukha siyang
maliit yung rear.
nagmumukha maliit.
Ito mukhang okay, pantay lang, di ba?
Proportion.
Sarap kumuha ng laki nito.
Ruby na ba yan? Kasi nung pinututa in-house pala.
Hindi, puro labas.
Astad. Saan ito?
Andaan.
Hindi. Ano?
Wait eh.
Magkano stud feed daw nito?
50.
Ha?
150.
150. Sa inyo pala, ano?
Ano si Zeus din?
Oo.
Okay. Kaya ba anak ko sa banda? Di ba Rocco din to? Walang pa Rocco vlog din to. Malaman. Oh, shape na mukha niya. Pero mas ano yung ano, mas Rocco yung si Kaiju. Yung isa yung Choco na nilabas ko.
Ayun kanina.
Oo.
Isa lang ba may-ari niya?
Oo, si Vice MVP.
Si Vice. Buti miga siya dyan, no?
Sanay siya dito.
Sanay siya dyan. Ay, ito na ba yung mismong nasa kulungan niya?
Pati sa kulungan niya.
Ayan din. Hey guys, ito yung judge natin ngayon, no? Sa ABKC, babae. Miss Maria Polina from Russia. Yeah. Junior handler. Ito mga registered to. Baga yung mga bata yung register sila sa junior handler. Pwede sila mag-champion. Ayan. Ang gigradean dyan, yung mga bata. Banding nila sa mga aso. Yan. Yung paano nila i-handle yung aso. Hindi yung aso, yung mismong bata. Mga handler.
This is the first time that we have an official ABKC Junior Handler competition. Their points, whoever wins today.
Kids tsaka junior handler. Iba naman yata yung ano nila. Yung point system nila sa kids and junior. Yun. So ito malaki yun. Ito mga bata.
For the third place, we have third place, tag number 195. Second place, tag number 197. First place goes to tag number 197. Emmanuel for the novice, 13 to 18 years old. Second place, and the best junior handler of ABKC goes to Justin. Congratulations. Female French Bulldog. Second place. First place goes to tag number 46. Congratulations. 10 for the 9 to 12 months old. Tag number 46 for the 1 to 2 years old. And tag number 36 for the 2 to 3 years old. This is the battle for the best female French Bulldog. Second place. And the best female French Bulldog goes to tag number 46. Congratulations. One round for the female and the male French Bulldog. This is the battle for the best overall French Bulldog. Congratulations, tag number 52.
Ganda nung
Please
lalaki.
stay inside the show ring. Please enter the show ring. Tag number.
Nangyari kay Majid.
Ganda na ito. Oh.
This will be the battle for the best in show French Bulldog. This is the best of breed French Bulldog. We have tag number. Congratulations, tag number 52.
APBT.
As
Wala ata. Siya lang yung entry ah. Oh. You know? Bakit female? 1 to 2.
And the first place goes to tag number 39. Congratulations.
2 to 3 na, packet female. Ganda na ito, linis oh.
This is the battle for the 2 to 3 years old pocket female American Bully.
Diyan ka na 60.
Kanino man po yung dog ni tag number 1, si handler po ay nasa loob, pa-prepare na lang po ng aso kung may kasama man po siya.
MC motorcycle.
This is the battle for the 2 to 3 years old pocket female American Bully. We have tag number 56, tag number 4, tag number 3, tag number 47, and tag number 66. Third place, tag number 3.
Yari na!
Second place goes to tag number 56. And the first place goes to tag number 4. Congratulations, Pocket American Bully.
3 years above. Packet female.
Pa-prepare na po ng ating mga males. Congratulations, tag number 63.
Best female packet. American Bully.
Pagtaulag pa siya pa, dyan siya, pero tricks. Nakulo na sakpan yung panpaso.
1 round for everyone. We have the 1 to 2 years old, tag number 39, followed by tag number 4, the 2 to 3 years old, and tag number 63 for the 3 years old and above. And the best female.
Let's go!
We have a reserve. The reserve goes to tag number 4. And the best female goes to tag number 63. Now, this is the battle for the 1 to 2 years old pocket males. Please prepare tag number 5, tag number 34, and tag number 16. We have a total of 9 entries for this age category.
Hindi na aircraft oh. Kapal din oh. Ganda.
Okay, this is the battle for the 1 to 2 years old common male American Bully.
Hirap na ito, Siyam.
Okay, she will choose some dogs to stay, and the ones who will not be chosen, please exit the show ring. Thank you. Thank you. It has been shortlisted. Okay.
Pag kinamayan ka na, out ka na.
1 round for everyone. 1 round.
One round. Top 5.
Go, go, go. 1 round for everyone. Next. Continue. Tuloy lang po. Tuloy lang po. Yeah, all together. 1 round. All together. Dire-diretso lang po. Thank you. This is the 1 to 2 years old common male American Bully. Second place. Congratulations. First place.
Kasi parang tayo sabi ko sa iba talaga.
This is the 33-year-old male pocket, American Bully. Please. This is the battle for the best pocket, American Bully, male category. Second place goes to tag number 16. And the best male pocket goes to tag number. And the best pocket. Oh, one round for everyone. One round for the best female pocket and the best male pocket, American Bully. We have the female, followed by the male. And the best pocket goes to the male.
Standard na guys, tingnan ito. Laki niya ito. Oh. Standard yan, 20 raw sukat yan. Isang 1 inch na lang, XL na, pero standard siya. Kung sinukat yan, pasok sa standard. Solid na ito, laki. Ito.
Yes, sir. Congratulations. Tag number 40.
Kapampadulas na to. Tingnan ako ng pampakapit niya. Ayan. Show put, anti-slip. Ini-spray lang sa paa. Ano to? Pampakapit para hindi madulas. Anti-slip spray. Spray lang sa paa nila para di madulas sa showring. Show foot. Effective yan. Effective kaysa sa coke. Dati coke lang kami. Sausaw yung coke sa yung paa sa coke. Makakapit na eh. Konti-konti lang. Malamig sa paa yan. XL.
Second place. And the first place. Congratulations. Tag number 20.
Hinahatak pa eh.
Congratulations.
Best of winners. Best of winners. Bilis ah. Battle of the Champ. Yan, 5 champion. Si Baron, no?
Dox, pasa likod.
Unang-una, Baron.
Hindi mo sense na. Walang signal na yung start.
Tangka.
Gusto mo nga yung noisy boys dyan.
Lapad din nito, bandal.
Hindi pa ba dito?
Ay, wala. Dalawa lang.
Aray ko, so
Ang ganda rin nito. Nero. Oh.
Ano?
may daddy issues kasi dito.
Nice one.
Reserve goes to the XL. And the BOC for Ring 1 goes to... I don't know. And the BOC for Ring 1 goes to the
Hindi na siya serious.
Reserve goes to the Latin Rose. Congratulations. And the Battle of the Champion goes to Siska.
Battle of the Grand Champion. Dalawa lang. Pulako tsaka Scarface.
This is the battle for the Grand Champion class. We have Grand Champion Polaco. We have Grand Champion
Best of winners, Battle of the Champ Male, Battle of the Champ Female, tsaka yung ating Best Battle of the Grand Champion.
Battle for the best of breed.
Best of the breed.
And the best of breed goes to the champion class. Congratulations!
Okay, best in show. French Bulldog, beating, tsaka Bully. Best in show, Tatangka.